All right, just finished cutting up half of my pork loin, and we want to do pork loin Savoy. All right. We get all the chunks that are up there. Now we want to give it a quick shake, get everything from the bottom. And there we go. Ooh, very tasty. All right, the reason why we wanted to put the Savoy sauce in the bottom of the bag, because as we start adding, we want each piece to get submerged. Well, you're going to leave this in the fridge for a day, and you're going to freeze it. When you freeze stuff, what happens? The marinade sinks even deeper into whatever you're marinating. Unlike every other cooking show, never ever put an oil into a marinade. The oil is a barrier. I see all cooking shows my whole life where they're using oils in a marinade. And I'm like, oh, why would you do that? That's the same reason you do not put oil in your water when you're cooking pasta. And then when I'm done, we're probably going to have a beautiful reduction. I want to make sure every piece is fully coated and submerged in the liquid before adding the next one. You never seen this on Jacques Pepin? Only on my channel. Alright, we're finished with that. If you notice, the bag is turned inside out at the top edge. The reason why we do that is so the seal doesn't get all screwed up. Houston, we have a problem. Alright. Turn it back for a second. And that's what happens. Alright. Luckily, I have too many tools. Alright. I'm going to turn the lip back down. Hey, accidents every once in a while are a good thing. Because I'm sure that this is not the first time that it ever happened to somebody. All right, let's take a quick pause. All right, good enough. Now I sealed it, I left the top open, and you want to get out as much air as possible. Shazam! We got a little juice right there. But that is good to go. Flatten it out a little. Into the fridge she goes, and then into the freezer. Perfect. When placing this into the fridge, you'll notice this one's longer. You want to take and put this up against the wall so nothing leaks out, because something might leak out here. Just a suggestion. But you want to see how I did it? That's how I did it. Yummy.